Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a Love is in the Air YouTube hop, and it is also a Scraplift Sunday with Laura, and I am going to be scraplifting this layout with Laura, and it's from Melissa Vining. Now, love is in the air. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Galentine's Day. All of this goodness. I am super excited for this YouTube hop. I was the one that decided to put this on. I wanted to use up Valentine's Day type collections on everyday photos. And I was like, you know what? I would love to have other people do this with us. So I contacted Laura. Laura's like, yeah, sure, we can do this. So we tied everything all together. So there is so many of us. Everything will be linked down below for the hop. Go grab something to drink. There is, golly, I think 30, almost 30 of us. Let me see here quick. Golly, I think there's like close to 30 of us. It is crazy amount. And what I decided to do was that, here it is. Let's see here. I've got almost, there's 20, almost 20 I should say, sorry, not 30, almost 20. I absolutely do love how this turns out. What I decided to do was that I went and got out the collection that's called Perfect Match from Close to My Heart. All of that stuff will be linked down below as well. This is available until the end of the month of February, and I'm almost betting that it'll probably be available for online only as well after February. But I love this. I have the stamp, the stickers, the everything, the stickers, and then the paper collection. And I took one of the papers and I decided to take and fussy cut out all of the flowers. I love how this turns out. But first, I'm really enjoying just putting different little bits of stamping to show through the pages while I put the flowers on it. I think that this part of it, I don't know what it is. Lately here, I've just been in this kick of adding dimension, of flat dimension, like stamping like this to add a dimension, something like that. Now, along the edges, I wanted to add just this little bit of spots where I distress. I wanted to add a stamp. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just adding it across. It just gives a little bit of something there. And I think it is perfect because I just love how it turns out. I just love that part of it. This is the stamp collection for the Perfect Match. This photo is of my husband and I, obviously. And it was when he pulled 24-hour duty, if I remember correctly, because I never posted this anywhere on my social media accounts, which sometimes I do take photos of Josh and I just don't post it, but I have it to take. But I'm almost 100% sure, and I even talked to Josh about it, I think one of our Valentines, while he was stationed here with me, he had to do 24-hour duty. I'm almost betting that this was the photo and it was during Valentine's Day. I think he had to do 24-hour duty either the day of Valentine or he was getting off. Like he was getting off of 24-hour duty and then was tired and we just didn't go anywhere. Something like that. I can't remember. It was something close to that. So anyway, that is what I'm doing here, and I am going to just take all these florals and place them everywhere. And that's my border. Melissa Vining did the same style, and I'm going to use this word love as my title with my journaling as well, just like how Melissa did hers. I hope that you guys are all having fun. If you are coming from one of the other channels, welcome. I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you are not, I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do traveler's notebooks, design team layouts, 12 by 12s, and also collaborations like this, YouTube hops, things like that. I hope that you are enjoying this hop. I am so glad that I had so many people come on board with me, because I absolutely love doing things like this, and I just love knocking out the pinks and the blues and the greens, and you know, just doing that color tones, because I really do love that. School is doing good, better of lack of terms, I guess. We had a 4-day weekend, so as this is going up, I'm on my second day, or third day I should say. I do get Monday, President's Day off, and so I will be at home, and then we go back on Tuesday for 4 days, and then, you know, from there. However, I know that we have a board meeting on Tuesday the 16th, so we'll see how well that goes. So yeah, who the heck knows on how that one's going to turn out. But pretty much for that respect, we'll see if we still keep going or if they shut us down. Because as of me doing this voiceover, we had up to 7 schools already shut down because they couldn't get enough subs and this, that, and the other. So I guess we'll see. I am doing up just a little bit of hearts. I'm adding a couple of little bits of sayings here and there along the edges. And then getting to my title, I do come out with some Shimmers paints. It is the Christmas cheer for my gold. I just wanted to add a little bit of spritz here and there. And then I do get out the little shaker hearts that are part of this, and I use that as well. And then that's pretty much it. Again, I hope that you all are enjoying this. I hope that if you are coming from one of the other channels, and if you have not hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you. I would love you as a subscriber, and welcome to my family. I am backing this up, and then that's going to be stuck down. I just love this title and a little bit of extra pizzazz, I guess, embellishments to go along with the title. I know in Melissa's layout there wasn't much to her title other than just the title and then the journaling. So I thought that adding that little bits would be good. So here I am. I'm just adding my journaling. I do it off camera because I'm not quite sure what I want to do. So even in the still shots, I have the lines, but that's it. And sorry for my stuffy nose. It's been raining cats and dogs here, so my allergies have been kind of off the chain. So here I am. I'm coming in with the hearts. I'm looking at doing the blacks, the mints, and the pinks. And then after this, I will be left with splatters. And then that is about it. So I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go check out everybody else. Hit that like and subscribe button with them too, because that'll help you get notifications for their channels. So yeah, I hope that you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will definitely talk to you soon. Bye!